Come test drive the 2018 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, floor mats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, rear defrost. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.